Over the last few months, I've been testing a few items from small, low wattage kitchen items to this little portable washing machine that a relative recommended to me. It was on sale for half price on Amazon, and so I figured I'd give it a try. It comes with instructions, power cord, I believe this is the drain tube, and then the wash machine itself. Here's the top, the spinning or drain basket, has a nice little handle. So let me try to open this up. Drain tube goes here. Trying to do this with one hand is a little awkward. But there it is. It fits right in. And this is when you want to spin your garments to get the water out. And then this is the top. This thing bounces around a lot. Once you drain all of the water out of the washer, you then have to take the garments and put them in the spinner basket so that it can spin out the excess water. as a regular washing machine, but not soaking wet either. I can hang this in the bathroom on a hanger and let it finish drying. Now, this thing will collapse down, not quite flat, but flat enough to store away in a cabinet. Okay, you will have to remove the spinning basket in order to actually shut the lid. So I guess you have to store that separately. My thoughts about this little portable washing machine, I guess it's okay. You know, if you want to wash maybe a couple of pair of underwear, I mean, let's face it, you gotta have clean underwear and clean socks, and it'll definitely do that. A couple of pair of underwear, maybe a couple of pair of socks, one lightweight t-shirt, maybe. Some dish towels or dish cloths, but not a lot at one time. But again, in a pinch, if you need clean underwear and you're not close by a laundromat, I guess it'll work. Yeah, let me know what you think. For me, again, it's okay, but I think I still need something bigger.